Two rising AI platforms, Grok and DeepSeek, have taken the spotlight. But which one truly stands out? On the left, Grok, lightning fast and always learning. On the right, DeepSeek, versatile and built for accuracy. We're putting them through essential, real-world AI challenges: speed, language understanding, features, pricing, and more. Let's skip the marketing hype and get to what actually matters. Each category gets a score, and at the end, you'll see exactly which AI claims the crown. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's a quick look at all the categories we're going to compare. Model quality, features and plugins, speed and availability, openness and API, multimodality, and of course privacy and security. Basically, every angle you'd actually care about. So let's kick things off with model quality. Grok honestly nails real-time events. It's tuned for web culture, can crack a joke or a meme faster than you can blink. But sometimes it can hallucinate a bit, and the context window, yeah, it could be bigger. Now, DeepSeek, this thing is a reasoning powerhouse. Long instructions, complex queries, it eats that stuff for breakfast. And get this, context window is actually larger. Downside, it's a little short on personality. Sometimes feels like talking to a polite spreadsheet. Winner here is DeepSeek for sure. If you use DeepSeek for sure. If you use DeepSeek for sure. If you need actual heavy lifting, it's got your bill. Next up, features and plugins. Grok shines inside X. Like, you can send posts, DMs, even create memes and use images. It's great for goofing around or pulling up quick info. But no third-party plugins and less handy once you leave X, let's be honest. DeepSeek though? Whole other story. You get this open plugins vibe and actual custom fine-tunes perfect if you're a tinkerer. Not all plugins work flawlessly, but still, DeepSeek snags the win here for sheer flexibility. On to speed and availability. Grok is basically instant, especially inside X-Nappy. Barely a pause if you're shooting off a quick meme or question. But yeah, it can slow down if everyone jumps on at once. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is more stable, like rock-solid API endpoints, but it can be slower, especially if you're on the free tier or running a really huge model. So, for pure speed and that feeling of always being just a tap away, Grok takes this round. Quick fact break. Did you know DeepSeek's 2025 model packs an insane 100 billion parameters? That's more than Llama 3 and even Grok. Open source scale is getting wild. Now, let's talk about openness and APIs. This one's important if you're even a little bit nerdy about tech. Grok is, well, a closed club. You use it in X and that's pretty much it. No public API, no peeking behind the curtain. DeepSeek though, wide open. We're talking open source models, free API docs, you can run it in the cloud or on your local rig for full control. There are some limits on the basic plans, but compared to Grok, DeepSeek totally dominates when it comes to openness. Alright, multimodality. Both Grok and DeepSeek can handle text and images, so you can throw some memes or stickers at Grok, or process images and embeddings with DeepSeek. Neither is doing audio or video right now, and DeepSeek's lacking native text-to-speech. So honestly, let's call it a draw. They're both solid, nothing mind-blowingly ahead just yet. Last category, privacy and security. Grok follows X's policies, but the fine print? Your data is tied to your X account and there isn't a ton of transparency. DeepSeek, oh and here's something cool, lets you self-host for peak privacy, and since everything's open source, you can actually audit what it's doing. The setup can get a bit nerdy if you go for the most secure route, but if privacy matters at all to you, DeepSeek is the clear winner. Take a look at how the scores stack up. DeepSeek tends to edge ahead in quality, features, openness, and privacy. Grok holds its ground on speed, and they tie on multimodality. So, bottom line, if you want snackable, witty chats and love living inside X, Grok is just straight up fun. If you're more into open source magic, research stuff, or want to plug into APIs and mess around, DeepSeek wins the day. If you enjoyed this head-to-head, make sure to follow for more next-gen AI matchups just like